Okay everyone, this is another video of Christendom 3 and I'm going to be showing you remote control truck. I got it for Christmas and I'm going to show you how it works. It's going to be awesome. But first, before you do that, go down. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And I am gonna I'm gonna leave and probably if you guys comment in the comment section below what I should do for next video and to see when I should do it and if I'm doing good or not on my first channel. So yeah, so let's get on with it. So let me get this right here, and probably a different video I'm going to show you how to watch any YouTube video and go to Google on your Nintendo Switch if you have one. So I already charged this, so let's get this part. Actually, it was just like 1 second. I'm sorry I have the hiccups, but here's this. I'll try to do it in the camera. Actually, no. While I'm doing it, I'm just gonna talk to you guys for a second. See which, what you think of my channel. And there may be some people in the back that you hear. Those are people that I live with. So something's buzzing on my feet. I don't know what it is, but let me screw this on. Which way is it? Right here. And at the end of the video, I'll show you my Nintendo Switch. And yeah, so I got my car, RC car. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna turn this on. Gotta get the camera. Put it I'm gonna put it right here. Yeah, there. So you'll be able to see me. So here's my car, right here. And I'm taping this with my phone. This whole channel is probably going to be on the phone, and you can see it's 4-wheel drive, and it has good suspension. You can see it has good suspension. So it can go back and forth. So yeah, so we're gonna see how this does against a fuel ramp. So let me get some rinse and I'll be right back. Wow, it didn't pause. Okay, so that was kind of weird. I said I can't pause it because you don't actually say that on YouTube. But as you can see, I'm gonna try to drive this car up here. Maybe it will slide, maybe it won't. I'll try to make it go better next time. So let's turn it on. It's on. The remote's on. So let's do this. So I'm gonna sit over here. I'm not gonna sit. Back it up a little bit. Stop. Really. That ball. Okay, right there. Oh, fell. So let me close the door. if you can see this, I'm gonna do a really cool trick with it. Put this up like that. Ooh. Watch this. You can do flips. And I can do it backwards too. Oh man. Ah, really? Yep, good suspension. Let me just throw this away. Sorry. That was other people. This is a YouTube video. This is a YouTube video. Oh, I think you click on it. Okay, I didn't mean to do that. I just saw it on another video. What? Car. It's right there. Forward, backwards, forward, backwards, forward, backwards, forward. It's gonna come at me sooner or later. Oh, no! Ah, it just came at me. Ah! 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 Are you okay? Of course you're okay. You're just. Well, thanks for the support on this video. If you like it, I'll probably comment back to you, leave a heart probably. And I have a Snapchat name, and I'll leave it down in the description down below if you want to follow me. And no capital letters. So that's it. So hope you have a good day. Bye. Wait, not yet. I told you I would show you my Nintendo Switch. I put it down. Nintendo Switch. So I'll show you a video of Nintendo Switch next time. Bye.